And what up, what's good with y'all? So yep, now we back in the mix of things, feeling a lot better. So for everybody that always hit me with the, you know, get better, bruh, get better, we good now. So anywho, today what we got going on, today I'm about to be working on two of the cars. I'm gonna be working on the SC and I'm gonna be working on 300ZX. As far as 300ZX goes, I told y'all I had a clogged injector, hit up 5.0 injector. They sent out a new one and I'm about to be getting that in today, so hopefully it doesn't have the misfire. I'm about to be filling up with some E85 fuel filter, and from there it should be cool. After that we just need the alignment on it, and then I'm gonna be running to Santa Rosa to go mess with the SC. Today I'm gonna be getting the rest of the LRB panels on, get the rear seat and all that out. The rear seat delete still hasn't came, but that's fine, you know, we can get the other stuff on for now and just get everything bolted up and bolted down. That way on the back end, when everything does come, I could just get it powder coated and then I could just throw it in. Let me start getting ready, grabbing stuff, and then I'm about to be jetting. Got a lot of driving to do back and forth. I'm probably gonna be doing at least, I want to say 6 hours of, you know, driving between today, because San Jose is an hour away from me, and then from San Jose to Mars, that's probably another hour and maybe 20 minutes, and then from Jamar's to Brett's shop in Santa Rosa, that's another, you know, another hour and probably 20. So it is what it is. Let's get into it though. So just pulling up to Mars, and I switched the mic. I'm going to use the little tiny mic because it's not a directional mic, so I haven't used it in a while, and I kind of want to see how it sounds. It actually looks a little better because it's hella small, and it's a dope ass mic if you don't have a lot of noise around. So I'm gonna use this little mic right now. This fool know better. When the camera out, we don't have no music. We work in silence when the camera on. We gotta get paid, bruh. Back up, get to work, bruh. Yeah. Nuh-uh, no music.
Take your ass.
No music. Monetize, bruh.
Fucking up my rhythm and shit. Yeah, to my right.
You dirty low, you. Dirty low, you. Damn, look at this beautiful thing though.
This motherfucker dirty too.
I know, got hella dust on it already.
Dusty ass area.
Oh yeah, so look at,
take that wing off, see if it fit on my car.
What, this wing?
Yep.
Ain't gonna fit.
No, I probably won't.
Might, I don't know, kind of shape similar.
I'm debating if I should put the other wing back on or if I should try a different wing. I'm debating right now.
So y'all remember my man, it was boofed, niggas was talking laughing. Look at it, brand new tube rear A1, like nothing ever happened. Look at that thing, look at that thing. Bounce back game, crow crazy.
And we painting this weekend.
Go crazy on they stupid ass. Hold on.
You ain't showing the one behind it though. That one.
Go crazy, back in action on they stupid ass. And this is backup car too.
In less than a month?
Backup car right here.
In less than a month?
You said less than a month?
Yep.
Bounce back on a stupid ass.
You gotta remember, we wrecked in March.
L's is nothing but lessons. We come back though. We come back from those. So we're just swapping injector number 3 because it was sounding like a Subaru, and I guess he had checked it, said it wasn't pulsing. 5.0 sent me a new injector, and we here today.
Shit wasn't free though.
What, the injector?
Yep.
Nah, but they did offer me a sponsorship for 1600s though, and a radium fuel rail.
That
was after I ordered it, and then I contacted them like, you know what? Let me see if I can hit them with a with a proposal, and they accepted. So they're gonna get back to me probably tomorrow. They've been quick with the response.
I don't know. I feel like with your following, mentions should be paid for. I'm not mentioning shit unless there's a plug. For real. That's why I don't run stickers on my car or none of that shit.
Even though the sponsors I have now, I still don't run stickers on my cars.
Yeah, even that's legit shit. Fuck that. Hella fucking stickers and shit.
I don't run stickers. I don't do those.
Stickers is for niggas that want to cover up the flaws in their car. Ain't covering up shit.
Who that?
You recording right now?
Who was that?
That's a bill collector.
You ain't paying your bills, bro? Nigga running from his taxes?
Nah, That's the police want a donation. You know, oh, do you want to support our school basketball? Hell no, you killing so many niggas out here. You think, who the fuck playing basketball?
So new injector going in that Jemmy. Hopefully my shit don't sound like a WRX no more. Ready? And it fixed it. I just got done hooking up the fuel filters. Getting hot as f here. It's like everywhere I touch on the car, it's like getting burnt up and shit. Hate working on cars when it's hella hot, but anywho, it's back together. We're just putting power steering in, about to start it. So we're gonna be calling it a wrap for the 300ZX today. We was gonna do the alignment, but we're just gonna wait and check everything to make sure everything is tight, because I don't remember what I left loose, and yeah, this shit like way sketchy. Just gonna go through it one time to, you know, check everything, make sure everything is tight before we decide to drive it to go to the alignment shop. That way, after that, once the alignment's done, I can, you know, I can get on this shit. Don't be doing that. But yep, that's it for the Z32 today. It's about time for us to get ready to make our way to Santa Rosa and deal with the SC stuff. Bye, see you later. Maybe this weekend I'll take her home, but let's get going. And here we go. Just pulling up to Brett's mounts, sprocket right there. So here's the new Jemmy. Damn it. New one, and then the old one. You can see like the little nicks and stuff on it from when the bolt got in there. Pull this off. So you can see nicks on there. They're not that bad, but just wanted to get a new one just in, you know, just in case, just to be on the safe side while we were in here. Pick that up. That is hella heavy. Yeah, fuck that. Now pick one of these up. Damn, bro. These are, I didn't know these were that heavy, bro. Dude, you can't even like pull it like this. That shit, you gotta actually put some muscle behind that shit. This is ridiculous, but it does have all like the heated on there, so yeah, it's hella heavy. These are disrespectfully heavy. everything mounts up and sits where it needs to be as far as the Planet seat mounts go. So yeah, just want to show y'all that real quick, just in case somebody's gonna end up asking in the comments like, how was the mount kit? Perfect, basically. Perfect. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if I want to put these door panels or not, or if I want to just leave them alone and deal with that later and just focus on getting the seats all bolted down and everything. Time back up. Gates belt, it's the HD belt. Cool. I had to switch the brackets around for the seat. I had them backwards, but now it hopefully it sits back a little bit further, and then tighten these already, and just about to blast the bottom and then throw this thing in there and see how this one fits. I got both seats mounted in. This is as far back as they go, and they're still a tad bit too close. If I can get them to go back a couple inches, it would be perfect. I mean, it'll work. I can drive like this, but you know, I want it to go back a little bit more. I'm 6'2", so it's a bit close for me. So maybe I'll have to have Janky modify these brackets or something to get these to go back some more, because right now it's just a little bit too close for my liking. If I can get back, I want to say 3-4 inches, that would be ideal for me. And as far as mounting the LRB panels, this is a big job. I don't feel like doing it right now, being lazy, so I'll probably wait to do this another day or sometime later. But yeah, this is a big job, and I don't really feel like doing it right now. I'm gonna be wrapping it up here. I guess Brett's gonna keep chopping away at this, but I'm about to leave. I've been running around all day, so I'm gonna leave this up to him. But this is where we're at. He's gonna finish installing the new motor mounts. Them jammies are right there. So new motor mounts. Decided to paint the cover just to make everything look black and clean with the stock airbox setup. But anywho, I'm about to be shaking you. Good looking, bruh. Appreciate it.
Peace, man.
Speed limit 65. I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a voice.